Today, we're going to show you how to install the dēzl OTR 800 or 1000 navigator in your vehicle. The process is the same for both devices, but today we will be working with the dēzl OTR 800 navigator. We will need the dēzl OTR navigator, suction cup, magnetic mount, and vehicle power cable. The dēzl OTR navigator comes with a suction cup and adjustable arm to attach the device to the windshield. There is a second permanent screw-down mount included. It is recommended to have this professionally installed. We will not be covering its installation in this video. Please refer to your owner's manual for more information about installing this mount on the dashboard. Your device also includes a 1-inch ball mount compatible with select third-party mounting solutions. If you choose to use the ball mount adapter, you will need to remove the 4 screws currently in the cradle. These screws will hold the ball mount adapter in place. This mounting option will not fit in the included bracket. It is only intended for use in a third-party mount. Please refer to your owner's manual for more information on using this adapter. We will be using the dēzl OTR navigator with the included suction cup and magnetic mount. First, loosen the nut on the magnetic mount and attach the suction cup. Then, tighten the nut slightly. Then, select the location to mount your dēzl OTR navigator. Clean the area with alcohol and a microfiber cloth. Warning: it is your responsibility to ensure the mounting location complies with all applicable laws and ordinances, and does not block your view of the road during the safe operation of your vehicle. Open the lever on the suction cup and orient it towards the top of the windshield. Press the suction cup mount on the windshield and fully close the lever to secure it. Plug the vehicle power cable into the port on the mount. The cable should click into the port. If necessary, adjust the mount for better viewing and operation. You may need to loosen the thumb screw on the suction cup arm and the nut on the ball mount. Some extra effort may still be required to adjust it. Tighten the thumb screw on the suction cup arm and the nut on the ball mount to secure the suction cup. Then, place the device onto the magnetic mount. Plug the other end of the vehicle power cable into a power outlet in your vehicle. The device will turn on once the vehicle provides power. And that's it. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.